All right, so I got this outdoor stove cooker. It's a dual burner off of Amazon. So this is great for camping, barbecues, anything outdoor. It's a propane hookup. So it comes with the attachment. You just have to supply your own propane tank. Installation is extremely simple. You could have it two different ways. You could have it just on a top, or you can have the legs. So it comes with the legs, and all you have to do is twist right here to get it nice and tight. And if I want to take the legs off for transportation, like I want to put it in my camper or something, I'm just going to undo these and then take the legs off. So like I said, you could have it placed on a table or use the legs. So it's very easy to use it. And then you have to make sure you have your open. You're just going to twist here. So that's on right there. And then if I want to have the other burner on, you don't have to have both on. But very easy. If I turn it up, it's all that propane coming out of there. So this is easy to use for camping. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start cooking on this and showing the ease of cooking on. I'm cooking sausages on with a pan, so it's very simple to cook with this. You can control the heat. If I have it too high, I can lower it down, but this is great for just bringing in a stovetop at like a camping or outdoor activity. Very simple, very easy to install. If you're looking for a great 2-burner propane stove, you can get this one on Amazon.